Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we have a special thing. So this is going to be a how-to video. We're going to be installing and removing, we're going to be removing and installing new grips on this bike. And these are going to be walk-on grips that are going to be on there. So just have a little screw them back on. So we're going to do our throttle hand first, and then we'll do our other hand. So the tools that you'll need is a screwdriver, Phillips preferably, if you can get it under better, not scrape up your bars so bad. A Swick spray will really work good. So we're just gonna put that there for right now. And first what you're gonna do is on your throttle body, you're gonna have a little, come over here. Taste is the cameraman for today. Throttle body, you're gonna have this little slide right there. You can see. And so we're gonna make sure we don't click that because that could break it. So we can go underneath our grip. And this is where you may need your contact cleaner or not. This one you're gonna need because it's pretty stuff on there. Make sure you're not spraying it at yourself. Just spray some in there. Spray some on your bars. Make sure it's all slick. You can push and pull. Alright, so what we had to do is, this is another method what you can do is, so this one we had trouble with, as you guys saw, and we were scraping up our, so you can see right in there, we were scraping up our handlebars pretty badly with the screwdriver. So what we did is, throttle body, you don't really want to do this. You were on the throttle body, it's gonna be easier to take off. But on this, what we did is just take this. We took this box blade and sliced it right down. You're gonna have to press it down a little bit, and you can either take that or you can take scissors. We tried scissors. These scissors weren't very sharp, so they weren't very good. But yeah, a box blade or some sort of blade is another good option. Now we got both of them off. I'll show you our new grips. But first, we're gonna take our contact cleaner, or in this case is Motor Protect. But spray it on there, real good. So these are the new grips, EMIG walk-on grips. So it's come over here. And these are pretty firm, not all flimsy like the other ones were. And we'll put on our contact cleaner. And we'll just slide these on. So on this set of grips, it already came with the throttle tube on there. And so I just took off our old throttle tube. So this is our old one. I'll put it over here to the other old stuff. And for this one, this set comes with different orders. Like this is your cam right here. That's your cam. And so it comes with different numbers for different bikes. Since that's the 2-stroke, yes, cam C and cam D. And for this bike, it fits best with cam D. So we're just gonna put it on there like that. And we're gonna go ahead and start putting it back on our new throttle tube. All right, so now that we got this, now that we got our cover back on, we're just gonna put this back to where we want it, there, and put this back on. Oh yeah. It's gonna work. Looks really nice. Okay. So that's it. We got a little bit of how to put your throttle tube on. A little bit of that action too in this video. And in case you have doing this stuff on our own, we have working on our bike. Just come down here and work on our bikes. Really, it's a fun thing to do for in case. I think I'm gonna get new handlebars for this bike sometime, make some Renthal, something like that. And something that I really enjoyed whenever I was taking off my throttle body, whatever you want to call it. When I was taking it off, something I really recommend doing, having something to put your bolts in. Because we had a bunch of different stuff. We had some bolts in here, some screws, some nuts, and like a wheel, a bunch of different stuff in here and you want to have a tray, just have like what a lot of people do, not a lot, but some people do, take their workbench, put a mat across it, and this workbench. It speaks for itself. Yeah, we're gonna put these on. Everything worked great. Yeah, these are gonna go on for the race. But why do that? Because I didn't get the video for the race. Yeah, well, I'm going off topic right now. So yeah, these are gonna go on my bike. They would look great, but they didn't fit. So, guess what time it is to end this video. So I really enjoyed it if you guys liked it. Because, you just need it every once in a while. You just need it. Battery's dead on the Razor. Woo! Yeah, it's dead. We need to jump it. But, yeah, tried charging it. That didn't work. So, this is me in the video. I'm rambling. So, let's go ahead and see you guys on.